In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to GitHub. This process should only take about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, you'll need to log into lovable.dev. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and set one up. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where you can see various projects you may already have worked on. Now, find the project you want to connect to GitHub and open it. It should be easy to spot if you have already been working on it. Click on the project to enter its workspace, which will allow us to proceed with the next steps. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find a GitHub icon. Clicking on this icon will present you with a few options. We're interested in one that says Connect to GitHub. Go ahead and choose that option. Now, you'll be prompted to log into your GitHub account. If you're not already logged in or don't have an account, now is the time to address that. Once logged in, you'll begin a process that connects your GitHub with the project on Lovable. After logging into GitHub, you'll need to authorize Lovable to access your GitHub account. This step is crucial as it allows Lovable to manage the necessary repository links for the project you're working on. Make sure you review the access permissions, then click Authorize to proceed. Now you'll need to either select an existing GitHub repository or create a new one where you'd like the project to be connected. If you choose to create a new repository, make sure it aligns with the project requirements so you can manage it efficiently in the future. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click Connect. At this point, the system will start working its magic. Finally, you'll need to be patient while your project syncs with the selected repository. The time this takes can vary depending on your project size and connection speed, but usually it doesn't take too long. Once the synchronization process is complete, your Lovable project will be connected to GitHub, allowing you to push changes, track modifications, and share your project code more efficiently with others who have access. And there you have it. Within just a few minutes, you've learned how to connect Lovable to GitHub, opening up a world of streamlined project management and collaboration. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy coding!